What up, you guys? It's your girl Deena, and welcome back to Heavenly Girls. So today we're gonna be doing a little cute vlog. I'm just gonna take little clips of what I'm going to be doing today. So we have a little packed day today, meaning that we're going to the Caroni Burn Sanctuary for a tour, and then we have a birthday party to go at night. So this vlog should be interesting. It may end at the bird sanctuary. I don't know in terms of the privacy of the party at night. So we shall see. So I hope you guys enjoyed. If you want to see the whole tour, then keep on watching. Alright, so currently still home. We're supposed to leave at 2 o'clock. It is 2:07. And supposed to pick my friend up, Leah, at 2:15. Shout out to Lakeisha and her husband for giving us these tickets for free to go. So to all the people who it's been a hot minute since we've posted a video, life has been hectic. Adulting is hard. Nobody tells you. That's like the fine print of adulting. Like, ooh, nobody tells you how busy it's get. Nobody tell you how much responsibilities you're gonna. Nobody tells you. Why did nobody tell us? I don't know. Basically, Reylene is ... soon to come info, but yeah, I'm excited about that info that I'll personally leave for her to share. And she's not gonna be in this vlog. She's also really busy, like really busy, so you may not see her in a video for a good while. So basically this video is like to give a little update in terms of like, it's just me y'all gonna be seeing until further notice, well, until she's like available to tape. But it should be interesting. I will try to create as good content. Some things to look forward to is like probably like hauls or something, or mainly just more vlogs.
Yeah, when I filter that.
No, it's a vlog. Oh yeah, she not. Yeah, when I filter. Oh my goodness.
Did you see the condition of my face? They can't have this unfiltered right now.
Use your this.
Yeah.
We're going to look and have some crab. They're going back in the hole. Let me see if I could find one. See that one moving there? And they're coming out of these holes. Okay, at the Afro. So we arrived and we're here. The tour hasn't begun yet. It's supposed to at 4 o'clock. So this is the inside. It's not 110% well kept, but so we're here currently waiting to go on the boat. This is Leah. You see the cat? I have so many cats.
See? It's just, you can't see it that way.
right? So this is known as the Rattler Fusonia, that is the scientific name, or the tree mangrove plant.
So we get some pineapple chow, we get shrimp. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye.